Cole. I'm from Macedon Ranges Dads Club. I'm here to talk about chainsaw safety.
Mate, that's what down.
So the first thing you have to know is how to turn it on.
No. What about the chaps, mate?
Those chaps.
No, these chaps, mate. They're chainsaw proof. Safety first.
Thanks, mate. I didn't know cowboys use chainsaws. Okay, can we start again? Can I do it? Okay. Hi, I'm Cole, and I'm here from Macedon Ranges Dads Club, and I'm here to talk about chainsaw safety. You've got to have all the safety gear with the chaps and the other bits and pieces, and I've got a still chainsaw, but it won't be still for long.
Maybe leave out any jokes that don't have a punchline.
Okay, I'll start again. Yada yada yada. I still have a still. Anyway. And so next up, you want to locate the choke. Now the choke's important because it's a little black button, and it's just located alongside the.
Oh mate, you haven't mentioned the bar.
Oh, the bar. Yeah, don't drink. Never drink before you use these. Okay, that's really important.
No, the cutting bar.
Especially when you're cutting. When you're cutting, you don't want to drink.
Mate, have you ever used a chainsaw before?
Of course not, mate. I've just moved up from Docklands.